In this tutorial, we will work also on the definition of an alkane. However, now we will talk about branched chains of alkanes. Let's talk now about branched chains of alkanes. The general formula of a branched chain of alkane is CnH2n plus 2 as well. So for example, if we take the molecular formula C5H12, a branched chain having this molecular formula is methylbutane. So in this molecule, we will have 5 carbon atoms. However, in the main chain, which is this one, so this is the main chain. Notice how I can move in a continuous way and include those carbon atoms. Whereas if I want to include this carbon atom, I can't move in a continuous way. So I will not be able to move in a continuous way carbon after carbon. So this means that this is the main chain and this one is a side branch. So this is a branched chain of alkanes and not a straight chain of alkanes. So this is an isomer of pentane. This is the displayed formula of methylbutane. Its structural formula is CH3, CH2, CH. We will open parenthesis CH3 because this is a branch, and remember that branches or side chains will be included in parenthesis CH3. So notice here that the end carbon atoms are bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms and 1 carbon atom only, as in the case of unbranched chains. However, those inner carbon atoms, so we have 2 of them, one of them is bonded to 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 carbon atoms, whereas this one is bonded to 3 carbon atoms and 1 hydrogen atom. So when one of the inner carbon atoms is bonded to only 1 hydrogen atom, we must know that this is a branched chain of alkanes. Let's talk now about ring alkanes. Ring alkanes have the general molecular formula CnH2n because the end hydrogens are not required. So these are examples of ring alkanes. We will add the prefix cyclo at the beginning of the name to indicate that we have a ring structure of this alkane. So for example, this one contains the 3 carbon atoms which are over here. So this is cyclopropane. This one contains 4, so this is cyclobutane. This one contains 5, so it is cyclopentane, and so on. If we take cyclobutane for example, these are the carbon atoms which are bonded together in a ring. Remember that carbon will form 4 single covalent bonds in alkanes. So this one is bonded to 2 carbon atoms and has 2 hydrogen atoms as well. This one will have 2 hydrogen atoms, this one will have 2 hydrogen atoms, and this one will have 2 hydrogen atoms as well. So the molecular formula of cyclobutane is C4H8. So it is CnH2n and not CnH2n plus 2.